Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the icon sizes on your Redmi 13. To change icon sizes, you want to go into Settings, then scroll down to Wallpaper and Personalization, then choose Icons. In here you can use this slider to change icon sizes, as you can see in the preview up top. Now when we go to the main screen, you can see they are different. You can see the difference almost immediately. You can also change the background color of the compatible icons if that's what you want. You can do the same with fonts, increase their size or decrease it. Adjust to your liking, really. Change the font themselves. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.